today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Juviasplace eyeshadow palettes, which I have here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's get right into the video. I also picked up this blush that I showed you in my Juviasplace Foundation video. I picked it up with this order and it looks like that. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys to see. Let's switch it there. I hope that's what it looks like. This is the Nubian palette by Juviasplace. Looks like this. I'm gonna swatch all of them for you guys to see. This palette is the Magic Mini by Juviasplace. This one here. Nubian 2 palette by Juviasplace. I also picked up these Juviasplace brushes. I'll just bring it out for you guys to see. Like, this is what the bristles of the brushes look like. This is really good. And these are what the handle of the brushes look like. This is what they look like. And I'm just seeing that each one is labeled. This is brow definer. This one is a brow definer brush. And these are the face brushes. 5 eye brushes and 3 face brushes. This is what this one looks like. So pretty, like, look at that. The handle is really chic. So red. Bristles are very soft. See the difference?